Next, we are going to discuss about why knowing climate finance is important for Global South. You'll see Global South, especially the countries in Asia, Africa, Latin America, and the Pacific, are having the disproportionate impact of climate change to emissions. So these countries emit very little, but yet they have the highest impact of climate change. If we try to put it in numbers, these developing countries or vulnerable countries are facing yearly damage of 150 billion to 300 billion losses due to climate change. And it is said that annually these countries would require $2.7 trillion in order to fight climate change. And how much they are actually getting? Developed countries have committed to disburse $500 million every year to help them in mitigating climate change. So you can see that huge gap. So there is a resource gap for these Global South countries to work on, and they must learn the mechanism and techniques of climate finance in order to apply, get this fund, execute this project, and show their impact of climate change to reduce this resource gap. Also, they need to build the capacity of the people to showcase their successes on this climate change project. Of course, there is this discussion or debate about how to restore equity and justice to these vulnerable countries by the countries who are actually emitting high, to make a balance between what they are emitting and what they are actually paying.